A clear software comparison starts now. An AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Rebelle follows a premium ownership-focused pricing approach designed for artists who want a highly realistic painting experience without relying on ongoing subscriptions. It is typically offered as a one-time purchase, giving creators long-term access and full control over their work. This model appeals strongly to fine artists and illustrators who value permanence and dislike recurring fees. By paying once, users gain access to a specialized tool built specifically for expressive painting rather than general-purpose design. What truly sets Rebelle apart is its unmatched natural media simulation. The software is known for its realistic watercolor behavior, where paint flows, bleeds, mixes, and dries in ways that closely resemble real paper and pigments. Brushes respond organically to pressure and speed, and textures interact dynamically with paint, creating depth and unpredictability that feels authentic. Oil, acrylic, ink, and then bubble ins and other traditional tools are also supported, making Rebelle ideal for artists who want their digital work to retain a handcrafted look. Layer tools, masking, and blending options allow artists to balance realism with control when needed. One of Rebelle's strongest advantages is how immersive the painting experience feels. The interface stays out of the way, letting artists focus on brushstrokes rather than technical settings. Stylus support is excellent, making it a natural choice for pen displays and tablets. Rebelle performs well, even with complex paint interactions, and it's particularly well suited for fine art, concept art, and expressive illustration, where texture and flow matter more than precision shapes or vector accuracy. Another major advantage of Rebelle is how it encourages experimentation and creativity without fear of mistakes. The realistic paint simulation allows artists to explore blending, wet-on-wet effects, and layering techniques that feel natural, giving work a handcrafted, organic quality. There are limitations to consider. Rebelle is not designed for photo editing, layout design, or vector illustration. Its strength lies in painting realism rather than technical versatility. The advanced simulation features can be demanding on hardware, especially when working with large canvases or heavy watercolor effects. The brush system is focused on realism rather than extreme customization, which may feel restrictive to artists who prefer highly technical brush control. Regarding public feedback, not all creative software platforms display verified Trustpilot ratings. Some services, like GetQuinn, show public ratings, while others, including Rebelle, may not have official Trustpilot data available. The absence of ratings does not reflect software quality or reliability. Availability depends on platform participation, and missing reviews should be treated as neutral. Exploring demos, artist showcases, and community discussions often provides better insight into real-world performance. Overall, Rebelle offers a uniquely authentic digital painting experience. Its realistic paint simulation, ownership-based pricing, and painter-focused design make it a standout choice for artists who want digital tools that behave like real materials. While it's not a replacement for full creative suites, it excels at expressive painting and artistic experimentation. If this breakdown helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more creative software comparisons. Click the link below to access Rebelle and Adobe Photoshop directly, explore their official pages, and choose the tools that best support your creative workflow today. Figma offers a flexible and modern approach to digital design, providing both free and premium options to suit different levels of users. The free version includes essential tools for creating, collaborating, and sharing designs, making it accessible for students, hobbyists, and small teams. For professionals and larger teams, the premium version unlocks advanced features, including unlimited version history, enhanced collaboration tools, and access to larger project files. This pricing approach allows users to start working immediately without financial commitment, while offering scalable tools for teams and businesses that require more robust capabilities. By providing both free and optional premium access, Figma ensures that designers at all levels can explore its features, collaborate seamlessly, and grow into its more advanced functionality as needed. One of Figma's greatest strengths is its focus on real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on the same project simultaneously, seeing updates and edits instantly, which makes it ideal for team projects, client reviews, and educational environments. The platform runs in the browser, so there is no need to install heavy software, and it works across Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and even mobile devices. This cross-platform accessibility ensures that projects are always available, and design files can be accessed from anywhere, at any time, without compatibility issues. Figma's feature set is highly versatile. It is primarily a vector-based design tool, making it ideal for UI/UX design, app prototypes, web layouts, and iconography. The software includes tools for creating interactive prototypes, managing reusable components, and applying consistent styles across projects. Designers can collaborate using comments, notes, and version tracking, streamlining the feedback process. The interface is clean and intuitive, allowing users to focus on creativity while still providing advanced features for those who need detailed control over design elements. Libraries of icons, fonts, and templates help speed up workflow, while powerful plugins extend functionality for analytics, design automation, and creative effects. There are trade-offs to consider. While Figma excels at vector-based design, UI/UX workflows, and collaboration, it is not intended for traditional painting, illustration, or photo editing. Complex raster-based workflows or highly textured artwork are better suited for dedicated painting software. The free version is powerful, but professional teams may find it necessary to upgrade to access version history, advanced collaboration tools, and larger file capacities. Regarding user feedback, not all software platforms display verified Trustpilot ratings. Some services, such as GetQuinn, provide ratings, while others, including Figma, may not have official Trustpilot reviews publicly available. This does not reflect on the quality or reliability of the software. Missing ratings should be considered neutral, and users are encouraged to explore trial versions, tutorials, community forums, and example projects to evaluate performance and workflow suitability. Figma's large, active user community ensures that resources, templates, and shared knowledge are readily available, helping designers improve skills and stay current with best practices. Overall, Figma provides a powerful, accessible, and collaborative design platform for digital creators, particularly those focused on UI/UX, app development, and web design. Its combination of real-time collaboration, cross-platform accessibility, vector tools, and scalable premium features make it a versatile and future-proof solution. Whether working individually or in a team, Figma allows designers to streamline workflow, share projects effortlessly, and maintain creative control while growing into its advanced tools. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more software comparisons and creative tips. Click the link below to access Figma and Rebelle directly, explore their official pages, and choose the tools that best support your creative workflow today.